Nezindaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekumkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli imbukeli nazi ezinohlonze emini nje.
If I come, I want to steal, and I know that you have a bulldog. Having a chance, I'll take the teeth out of the bulldog so that I do things proper.
Lo wabe ngungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa waphinde kwabe ngumkhuzi wawo ubheka icelo uyaqhubeka nokwethula ubufakazi ngaphambi kwesigcawu esiphenya ukuxambukela kosombusazwe emsebenzini wamaphoyisa.
He then told us that he had close connections with very senior police officials within the SAPS.
Ufakazi owethula kubufakazi esithi uwitnessiwe yana kwethula kubufakazi namhlanje eKhomishaneni kaMadlanga.
South Africa sees Vietnam as a key partner in our export diversification strategy.
Umengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa uqhakambise kakhulu isibophezelo seNingizimu Afrika sokugxilisa ke nokuqinisa ubudlelwane neVietnam njengoba ke ihambelele liyazwe. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ke izindabeni ke zehora lokuqala ezingunqa phambili kanti futhi ke ezihamba phambili la ku SABC 1 Mzansi for sure kanjalo ke na ku SABC le high igama lami nginguDaud Phungula. Wabe ngungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa kuleli ujenene ubheka icele utshele kamalungu eParliament ukuba ucabanga ukuthi ukuqoka kukaRiah Phiyega njengomkhuzi kwamaphoyisa kuzwe lonke ngo2012 kwabe kuyimizamo ehlosiwe yokwenza buthaka umbutho wamaphoyisa. Ucele kuvele phambi kwekomiti lesikhashana laseParliament eliphenya ngezinsolo ezenziwa ngumkhuzi wamaphoyisa kwaZulu Natal Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi.
Osukwini lwesibili ephekwa ngemibuzo wamalungu eParliament owabe engungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uGeneral Bhekicele utshele yamalungu eParliament ukuba ngesikhathi uRiah Phiyega engumkhuzi wamaphoyisa kuzwe lonke umbutho wamaphoyisa kuleli waqala ukuxeka.
Well, the opinion is that if I come, I want to steal, and I know that you have a bulldog. Having a chance, I'll take the teeth out of the bulldog so that I do things proper. So maybe somebody was taking teeth out of the bulldog so that can do things the way he wants.
And who do you think that was?
Those that were leading.
Who was leading at that time?
Well, Zuma was the president at the time.
So it was under the Zuma administration.
Uphinde waveza ukuthi isibhicongo saseMarikana sasingeke senzeke ngaphansi kobuholi bakhe emaphoyiseni.
Let's talk about whether you think Riah Phiyega was thrown under the bus by these same politicians who entangled themselves in the operations, the Marikana SAPS operations.
In the morning, there was an announcement to say today is a D-Day, opposing all the briefings that had happened the previous night. So she was given the way out, and she opted to not to ride the bus but to go under it.
Kusenjalo ucele uchaze umkhuzi wamaphoyisa kuzwe lonke uGeneral Fani Masemula njengomuntu onenhlonipho cishe ongeka kwazi ukubeka usombusazwe endaweni yabo.
He's got a very maybe a very good heart to look after the lions. That's that for me. But he knows his job. He knows his job. Maybe he doesn't have enough pushback when he's supposed to do it.
Ucele uyaqhubeka nokuphendula imibuzo eParliament.
Mbukeli kucele usaqhubeka nofakazi bakhe ngaphambi kwekomiti ake sicaphone bukhoma lesesigcawu esiqhubekayo eWestern Cape eParliament.
They need not fear the police, but the criminals must fear the police, because today, currently, our citizens fear the police and the criminals laugh at them. How would you tackle that? How would you turn the tables and turn this back into a police service that we could actually be proud of?
I remember you used the term catastrophic. I think in Zulu it's something very, very serious. Not only that, and sad. I don't know how much pain I share as I sit there and I look Commissioner writing affidavit against the Deputy National Commissioner, and all that Mkhwanazi coming on the platform, lambasting everybody. Immediately after that, Spear coming, Spear going home, the police are in his house. It's just, I don't think if it were a move, I would finish it. It's a terrible thing. And I would be lying if I sit here and I say what should be done to fix the situation. I know it's a disastrous situation. It needs to be fixed together and all that. You know, I watched a few days ago the discussion on how much South Africans have been scammed by the scammers, very professional scammers out there. But you say, okay, where do you go with the South Africans? There is no head of Hawks, there is no head of intelligence.
Ikhomishana kaMadlanga ingenele osukwini lwe-17 namhlanje selokhu iqale umsebenzi wophenyo ngezinsolo zokugxamukela kwezinswelaboya zosomabhizinisi okukholakala ukuthi baxhumeneke nabanye osombusazwe kuphazamiseni ukusebenza kwezinhlaka zezobulungiswa ke. Witness C uyena-ke owethula ubufakazi namhlanje.
Witness C wayengomunye wabaseshi bethimba laliphenya ngokubulawa kosombusazwe ukhulume ngokwenzeka ngenkathi ehola uphenyo ngokuthunjwa kasomabhizinisi wasePitoli uJerry Boshoff. Lo fakazi uthi ngenkathi bebuza uKhet Matlala ukuthi ngabe uyazini ukuthi kuphi umngani wakhe kwabe sethi cha kanalo ulwazi kodwa into akayaziyo ukuthi umngani wakhe ubekweleda abantu imali kwayena ubemkweleda igidi ezinhlanu zamarandi.
Mr. Matlala also indicated that he doesn't know the identity of the people who are suspected to be behind the kidnapping of Mr. Jerry Boshoff, but he indicated that Jerry Boshoff owed people money.
Witness C uqhubeke waveza ukuthi ngenkathi besapheka uMatlala ngembuzo wabese bavezela ukuthi khona izikhulu emaphoyiseni asondelene nazo kakhulu wabese veza amagama azo nezinombolo zazo lezi zikhulu. Wethula ubufakazi ukholelwe ekutheni kwakuyindlela yokubasabisa njengoba phela babemphenya.
He named number 1 the Deputy National Commissioner General Sibia, and he also gave his contact details.
Kusenjalo ngakolunye uhlangothi inhloko yamajaji uMandisa Maya uthe lona obambe njengomengameli wamajaji enkantolo ephakeme eseGauteng uAubrey Lidwaba ushaya phansi ngonyawo ekutheni kunemali akayithola ukuze uKatiso Mlifa anikezwe ibhayili. Lokhu kuzemva ukuthi ofakazi abangabaseshi okunguWitness A noWitness B beveza ukuthi kwangafanele nikezwe ibhayili lona osolwa ngokuba ingxenye yeyigilamkhuba kuleli umlife.
Sisekuze zekhomishana kaMadlanga obambeke njengenhloko yabehluleli ijaji uAubrey Lidwaba ufuna ukuziphendulela ke ngaphambi kwesigcawu sekhomishana ngemva kokuthi ufakazi onguWitness A edalulele ikhomishana ukuthi ijaji Lidwaba lenza konke okusemandleni uqinisekisa ukuthi uKatiso KT Mlife uyayithola ibhayili. Ihhovisi ke lenhloko yabehluleli eNingizimu Afrika lishicelele ke istatement lithi ke ijaji uAubrey Lidwaba liyazihlangula ke ezinsolweni ezibucayi sokuthi ke lafumbathiswa ukuze uKatiso Mlife agunyazwe ibhayili.
The judiciary has noted with great concern the testimony given on the 21st of October 2025 by Witness A at the Madlanga Commission to the effect that he heard from an informer that a sum of 2.5 million rands was earmarked to secure bail for Mr. Katiso KT Mlife, although the witness did not know if this money was intended for the presiding judge, acting judge President Lidwaba, or the prosecutor. In this testimony, an allegation yet to be tested and proved at this stage, still has the potential of damaging the integrity of the judiciary, and we want to reiterate our plea, which the judiciary has issued on numerous previous occasions, that any person who has evidence of a judge's misconduct must promptly lodge a complaint against that judge with the Judicial Conduct Committee.
Umengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa uqhuba uhambo lwakhe likahulumeni emazweni ase-Asia njengoba namhlanje ezophuthula uhambo lwase-Vietnam. uRamaphosa uqhambise kakhulu isibophezelo seNingizimu Afrika sokugxilisa nokuqinisa ubudlelwane namazwe afana nelase-Vietnam ngenhloso yokufukulwa kwezinhlaka eziheha abatshali imali abazofaka esikhwameni sokukhuliswa komnotho wezwe.
Umengameli Ramaphosa uthi elase-Vietnam ngelinye lamazwe e-Asia iNingizimu Afrika ethembele kakhulu kulohlelweni lwezokuhwebelana ikakhulukazi ngaphansi kohlelo lokuthunyelwa kwemikhiqizo yakuleli ithunyelwa eVietnam.
South Africa sees Vietnam as a key partner in our export diversification strategy, and we are encouraged by the steady growth in trade and investment in our two countries. And this impacts on how our various businesses continue to grow, from your large corporates to your small and medium enterprises.
Ngaphandle ke kokuqinisa ubudlelwane phakathi kwamazwe amabili, umengameli Ramaphosa ufuna nokuthi izwekazi iAfrika nalo lihlomule kangcono ezinhlelweni zokuhwebelana kakhulu namazwe ase-Asia ukuze andise nezizinda sezohwebo emazweni omhlaba ngaphandle kokwethembela emazweni ayizikhondla-khondla.
Our participation in the 47th Asian Summit as a guest of the chair and our recent recognition as a sectoral dialogue partner of ASEAN reflects our commitment to fostering inter-regional cooperation between Africa and Asia.
Umengameli Ramaphosa uzokwedlulela eKuala Lumpur kwelase-Malaysia nalapho ezokwethamela khona umhlangano omkhulukazi wezinhlaka zamazwe akhele i-Asia. Uzophothula uhambo lwakhe ngoLwesibili.
Bukele sisathiqu ezitolo kanti uMasibuya sizophathela uWT.
Makha akusiyo umngane wami, Makhimba akusiyo umngane wami, akaze ngize ngibone kudutshula umuntu. Wami. Angazi lutho ngezinto ezazenzeka lapha ya.
Umswala wokuqala ecaleni lokubulawa kukaSenzo Meyiwa umuzi Sibiya uyaqhubeka nokuphekwa ngemibuzo enkantolo ephakeme yasePitoli. Sikubingelele sikwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena odabeni oluphambili besibeka ukuthi Lwabe ngungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa waphinde waba ngumkhuzi wawo uBheki Cele uyaqhubeka nokwethula ubufakazi ngaphambi kwesigcawu esiphenya ngokuxambukela kosombusazwe emsebenzini wamaphoyisa. Bukela sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus ngena ukuze uzicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzosithola ngomjalo bazo.
SABC ikusakazela bukhoma ingqungquthela ye-G20 SA 2025.
Umholi we-MKP nowabe engumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma uthi usazoxoxisana nabameli bakhe ngaphambi kokuthi aphawule malungana nesinqumo senkantolo sokuthi kumele kakhokhele umbuso imali eyizigidi ezingama-29 zamarandi zabameli bakhe. uZuma ke ubambe isithangami nabezindaba izolo uzomemezela ke obe eyilungu le-ANC njengephinde likaMengameli wesibili we-MK Party.
uZuma uthi lolu daba uselinikele izithebeni zabameli bakhe njengoba enikwe unqamlajuqu wezinsuku ezingama-60 ukuthi akhokhele imali kungenjalo uzoshaqwa impahla yakhe noma kucashune esikhwameni sempesheni yakhe.
When the matter was discussed, I was not here, I was abroad. I'm going to be meeting my lawyers to say where do we take the matter. So I can't be answering because I was not there. We have made an arrangement to meet with my lawyers to take that matter forward. And that matter will be handled. You'll get to know then at the time as to what is our approach.
uZuma ubethula lo wekade ilunga le-ANC ePhalamende uThoni Yengeni owethulwe njengephini likamengameli wesibili eqenjini le-MK Party. Yize-ke abezindaba bengalutholanga ithuba lokupheka uYengeni ngemibuzo kunalokho ubesefunda isitatimende.
Problems of this country are primarily that of leadership. We have leaders who love themselves more than they love their people and country. Yes. But Comrade Jacob Zuma is different. He still stays in his rural village in Kandla.
uYengeni uqinisekisile ubulungu ophelele eqenjini le-MK Party ngemuva kwezinyanga kunokuqagula ngekusasa lakhe.
Umsolo wokuqala ecaleni lokubulawa kukaSenzo Meyiwa uMoses Sibiya utshela inkantolo ephakeme yasePitoli ukuthi uBrigadier Bongani Gininda wahuphuza amanga ngesikhathi ethola ubufakazi ethi-ke watshelwa umsolwa ukuthi kwangena abangani bakhe endlini ke ngosuku lwesigameko.
Umsolwa wokuqala uMoses Sibiya uphikisile ukufunda umshushisi advocate George Baloyi ngesikhathi efunda isitatimende ethi kubhalwe ukuthi kwangena abangani bakhe endlini bacela umakhalekhukhwini base bedubula umufi.
Umakha akusiyo umngane wami, Makhimba akusiyo umngane wami, akaze ngize ngibone kudutshula umuntu phambi kwami. Angazi lutho ngezinto ezazenzeka lapha ya.
Uphinde wakhunjuzwa ke ukuthi uBrigadier Bongani Gininda wethula ubufakazi wathi ubengawazi amagama abangani bakhe kodwa wawezwa ngomsolwa ngesikhathi enza isitatimende.
Namanje ngisasho ukuthi unqambela amanga mina sangikhuluma lamagama uyovela lamagama sise Phosphorus. Uyovele nalamagama masise Phosphorus.
Uphinde waphika ke okubhalwe isitatimendeni ukuthi wafonelwa abangani bakhe ababehlala ehostela ePhosphorus.
Angazi lutho ngayo yonke lento lebhalwe la. Akaze ngize ngibhale lento le. Anginayo iphone number kaMakhimba, anginayo iphone number kaMakha, akaze beze bebe namafoni ami. Akaze baze bangifonela nangelilodwa ilanga. Ngoba ngisho ukuthi akusiba abangani bami.
Icala liyaqhubeka.
Seqhubeka isigcawu esiphenya abangase babandakanyeke ekubulaweni kwamalungu eCraddock 4 njengoba ke owabeke engumkhuzi wamasosha ngesikhathi sobandlululo uJoffel van der Westhuizen eqhubeka nokuphekwa ngemibuzo enkantolo ephakeme yaseGqeberha namhlanje. uVan der Westhuizen usolwa ke ngokukhipha umyalelo wokucija itulo lokuthi kususwe uMatthew Goniwe nomphelo.
Owabe ngumkhuzi wamasosha ngesikhathi sobandlululo uJoffel van Westhuizen usaphekwa ngemibuzo ngokusoconga kwesishoshovu zeCraddock 4. uVan der Westhuizen uthi noma engakwazi ukukhumbula yonke into ngenxa yeminyaka kodwa uthi yebo wawukhipha umyalelo kodwa akazange alifake igama likaFort Chalatha nelika Matthew Goniwe.
My lady, the information component did not actually act or carry out duties. They only collected information which they forwarded to the military necessary components.
Ummeli kaVan der Westhuizen uthi asikho isidingo sokuzama ukuphikisa ubufakazi bango-1993 bukaVan der Westhuizen ngoba sebuphenywe ngokugcwele futhi kwaphuma isinqumo. Kanti uVan der Westhuizen uthe uyakhumbula ukuthi wabhala phansi igama likaMatthew Goniwe kuphela kanti kungenzeka ukuthi umphathi wakhe uColonel Lawrence du Plessis wengeza amanye amagama njengoba kwakungumsebenzi wakhe lowo.
Dit is correct, Edele. Ek was bewust van Goniwe, Matthew Goniwe en Lawrence du Plessis en die ander name bygevoeg.
That is correct, so my lady. I only knew Mr. Goniwe, but the other names were added by Colonel Lawrence du Plessis because that was within the nature of his work.
Uphenyo liyaqhubeka.
iDemocratic Alliance eGauteng ithi kiphezulu kwezinhlelo zokuphakamisa ivoti esishamthetho lokungabethemba ubuholi bukaNdunankulu uPanyazele Sofi lokhu kulandela umbiko okhishwe umvikeli womphakathi okholeka Gcaleka oveze ukuthi ukusungula kophiko lonogada olubizwa ngamapanyaza ngenhloso lwalungekho emthethweni.
Umvikeli womphakathi ethula umbiko uveze ukuthi labo nogada baqashwa ngaphandle kokulandelwa komthetho iCriminal Procedure Act okwenza ukusungulwa nokujutshwa kwabo kungabe semthethweni. iDA ikholwa ukuthi lesi ngesinye sesizathu sokuthi uPanyaza kufanele ehle esikhundleni.
There's so many examples that, have led us to a point where we do believe that a motion of no confidence against Panyaza is what is now going to be needed here. We want a premier that is going to be working to do the right things.
Lesiphakamiso sokungabethembi ubuholi buka lesofisi silandelwe ukukhishwa umbiko womvikeli womphakathi ngalolu daba.
There is no evidence of them having been malicious. Hence, we did not take remedial action in terms of a disciplinary action to be taken, but rather that appropriate training and competency upliftment needs to be done.
Khona manjalo ne-EFF ithi ukuhlakaza kwaleli thimba kuyona nje into kumele ithathe isikhathi kufanele yenziwe ngokuphazima kwesomo.
There is no justification for continuing to waste public resources on a failed project that was never meant to exist in the first place. This unit must be dissolved immediately, not over 3 years, and every cent looted under its name must be accounted for.
uLesofisi uxoxe kakhulu ngokusebenzisa ukusungulwa kwalabo nogada njengethuluzi lokukhankasela iqembu le-ANC.
Bukele sizibeka lapha ke zehora lokuqala bayezoza kwethu ngezindaba ngolimi ke lwesiswati emagamanxa ihora lesihlanu kanti ke malibumbane ihora lesikhombisa uzobe khona ke uCalvin Dludla. Mbukeli usale kahle.